Port security is a very important feature for the security network. Port security is a very important feature for the network. It strengthens network security by set up for the MAC address. For example, they set up the maximum number of the MAC address, so limit the number of leave the number of them plug into the internet, connect to the this interface, or they can set the different violation policy to prevent the potential intruder. For example, there are three modes. They can set out protection mode, that is protection mode. Once the violation is detected, they do not shut down the interface, but they do not log in, simply just drop the violated packet. Restriction mode is they also do not shut down the interface when they detect the interface was violated, but they send the log informations and the SDNMT informations to the server and correspondence server. And there is another one, the shutdown interface. Shutdown interface, once the violated packet was detected, they also drop the packet and also set the interface into error disable status and send syslog information SNMP to the SVMP to the server. So use the different policy to strengthen the switch. Here we are going to show you how we set a port security issues in the switching network. Okay, we'll go back to a lab environment. Okay, we choose one interface. Alright, so do show run NDFI interface 3. See, first we set this interface to the switch mode. Then we're going to we turns the switch port security on. Okay, then we're going to set up the port security parameters. First, we can set up the aging time. Alright. For the aging time, we can set this is a second, right, in minute. So we get 1440. It's been 24 hours. Alright. So that means in each 24 hours is one loop. They will clear up the list, security MAC address list. Right. So port security, we can set up the MAC address, how they want to grab the MAC address information. We can set the specific MAC address here, or we can set sticky. That means the automatically system will configure the secured MAC address, dynamically secured address, right? Once we plug one device into the interface, they will automatically grab the MAC address information and put into the, or we can see this MAC address list. Alright, so then we can also set the maximum number of the list, MAC address list. That means how many different MAC address we want this interface to be. Right. So first, for example, in a company, maybe someone have a laptop, also have a desktop. So in one interface, we should allow the two kind of devices to be plugged into this interface. Right. So we can set up the maximum number is 2. That means that this interface not only can be plugged into the desktop, also can be plugged into the laptop. Alright, so also we can set up the next one, port security, also the violation. For the violation, that means the policies or the mode. We want the switch to take action once we detect violation is detected. So there is three modes. First one is protect. Protect means once the violated packet was detected from the violated device, the interface will only drop the packet, but will still keep this interface working, or still keep this interface on state on status. Also, we can set the second mode, which is the restrict. Restrict mode, that is, they also do not turns off this interface. They only drop the packet, but also they generate the SNMP message and the log information. So we can send these two kind of information to the SNMP server or log server. Another one, the last one, pause security violation mode, is shutdown. Shutdown means we're going to, once the violation is detected, we're going to shut down this interface and pull this interface into the error disable status. Also, the system will generate the syslog information and the SNMP information. Also send this information to the specific server. So this is how the pause security work. Okay, so here the full information how it is work. All right.